These two primary ways the Holy Spirit directs the believer from within, from the inside. Inner guidance and revelation. The inner guidance and revelation. And I must tell you the truth, child of God, we're all used to it if you are born again. We're all used to it if you are born again. It's been happening, but it's just that you have not really given attention to it to be established in it. If the Holy Spirit is bearing witness with your spirit that you're a child of God, this is not strange to you. It's not. So, the Holy Spirit leads you through inner guidance and revelation. He does it from within. He doesn't force you, but he does it. You just see there's a witness in your heart. There's an illumination, like a light dawned on you. There's a very clear understanding or perspective. That is exactly what Jesus was saying in John chapter 16, 13, 14 that we read. That he will guide you into all truth. Not some, but all. It means that the Holy Spirit can be involved in every aspect of our lives, including your job. An engineer told me once how the Holy Spirit helps him to solve problems. That when he's trying to fix some machines and he doesn't know what to do, that he doesn't task himself. Just tells his men, leave it, just don't worry. Let's do other things. And he goes to pray in the Spirit for some minute. He said it may happen while he's praying. Clear thoughts will drop in his spirit. Or maybe while he's doing something else. Something will just hit him. Eureka. He knows what to do. The Holy Spirit bears with him.